is so dope, bro. Like, I feel like that song is, or this song, I feel like this song, you can literally use it with almost any type of anime. It's just so fire. And also Miracle, come on now. Hey, what's good, guys? So what I'm about to show you, literally I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw this dope AMV. So we're just gonna jump straight into it. Shoot, I'm gonna have to be pausing it like here and there, otherwise I'll get like copyrighted. But let's get it. I'm telling you, it's so goated. It's so goated. Okay, let's see. And also Chainsaw Man, I'm getting like hip to it. You can see right here I'm watching the entire Chainsaw Man story explained, but like, it's so dope, bro. Like, I feel like that song is, or this song, I feel like this song, you can literally use it with almost any type of anime. It's just so fire. And also Miracle, come on now, come on now, come on now. But alone, like this guy, hip hop Sakura, like, good, bro. Let's continue, bro. What the hell? No, the music. My bad. Yo, literally the Chainsaw Man, it's just so dope, bro. They just have so many, homie's getting sturdy, bro. They, like, Chainsaw Man, like, the opening alone has just so many references. Like, if we go back, shoot, can I get it? I like Ichigo's Getchika Tensho, right there. Okay, let's see. Okay, that was power there. Okay, let's see, let's see. There's the Love and War thing. Okay. Yeah, that's actually a mistake of a pause. I'm telling you, that's genuinely a mistake of a pause. But that girl is Power from Chainsaw Man. And then in the back you can see Makima holding Denji as a, like, you know, a dog, because that's what their relationship kind of is there. What is he? I know this is a reference to something, but I can't wait for more of Chainsaw Man to come out. Like, I'm telling you, it feels like Chainsaw Man should be one of the best new animes for, yeah, it feels like Chainsaw Man should be one of the best new animes for 2022. It has to win an award of some caliber. He's getting sturdy! He's getting sturdy, bro! Okay, Tevera. Why did they include Sakura and Chio's fight in that? Why? There's so many other better fights to include. Mob Psycho? Yes, sir! I need to get back and watch Mob, bro. Yo, that opening sequence for episode 1 was so fire. So fire. What was that? What were they doing on that table? Is that a woman? Clean. Oh, that's the new animation of the Naruto. That new animation of the Naruto, bro. This AMV goes so hard, bro. And then yeah, the new animation goes hard, bro. Okay, let's see. Clean, bro. Seen a lot of sentiment from a lot of other creators, and I guess like the community as a whole. It would be nice if they could reanimate the Naruto series with the Boruto animation style, or this cleaned up style, you know. Clean, bro. Oh, Sakura, cutting off your hair, Sakura. You're such an MVP for that, Sakura. Spyxfamily, I've never watched that anime before. I heard it's good. I've never watched it. But this AMV is nice, bruh. Okay. I'm telling you, this song just works. This song just works. For any anime, this song works. That was actually. Wait, is it still the same thing? Wait, what's happening? It's a new Pokemon? They replaced Ash with that dude? Ash is no longer the main star of Pokemon? Ash isn't the star anymore? That's hella interesting. It's actually very interesting. What is Sakuna? Oh, this is the person. Okay. Whopper. I got a Whopper in my stopper. But I take care. Peace out, everybody.